Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 15, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column C, 10th row. We have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 7. 4th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then the first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 3, 9. Column I, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. Column I, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. 9th also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, column E, column F, column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 9. 5th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in the cell. It will be one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. Column I, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. 9th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.